love her vibe. I love her style. I love the way you came back.
You don't feel her voice, guys.
Oh, this is good.
You freaking feel her voice. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Divine. I'm a musical choir, minominak, drummer, and a keyboardist. I have been for many years. I started making these videos as a space for music lovers like myself to check out our favorite artists and break down some of our findings that make them so fantastic. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at the Perseverance Reaction in order to recommend your favorite singers for us to react to. Hey, you killed it, you killed it, you killed it. Are you freaking kidding me? What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are
Feeling good.
Today, guys, we are back again with a new video, guys. I'm here, my beautiful guest.
It's a makeover.
My name is Divine, guys. Today, we're going to be reacting to Polina Gagarina, guys. I think she'll be singing I really can't pronounce it because it's not actually English. But what I see is KYKYWKA. Guys, this was constantly requested on our Instagram page, and so we should give it a try. You know how those guys talk less over it or react more? Let's get into this video. She's beautiful.
So beautiful.
Песен еще не написанных сколько? Скажи, кукушка, пропой. В городе мне жить или на выселках, камнем лежать или гореть звездой.
Hey.
Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак.
She has a really good voice, guys. Really tender.
Если есть порох, дай огня. Вот так.
Wow. I love her outfit.
Кто пойдет по следу одинокому? Сильнее на белые головы сложили в поле, в бою. Мало кто остался в светлой памяти, где свобода с твердой рукой стою, строю.
I love her.
I quit. We're not reacting for today. I quit. Guys, we are freaking done. This is amazing.
Wow.
How come this is our first time checking this out?
I'm just wondering.
Oh my goodness, I am really grateful for you guys requesting this on our Instagram page. Polina Gagarina. We gotta check more from her, guys. This lady is extraordinary. She's beyond good. Her controls is freaking beautiful, guys. The texture of her voice is really beautiful. Calm down.
Yeah, calm down.
We gotta watch to the end, guys. How is this voice so fun?
I love her voice, guys.
Kidding me?
She blew my mind out. She just started with this wonderful tone, cool, slow, low. Then she just brought out the fire in her. She just kept on going and giving us a wonderful performance, guys. I love her. I love her vocals. I love her style. I love her outfit. I'm in love with her outfit. It's so amazing. Guys, this is good. This is a wonderful performance. Like you said, I don't know why we're just taking her out now, because she's amazing. Her vocal is incredible. Her instrumentalists are giving us wonderful bits. Guys, this is so good. I'm loving it.
But I'm serious, we gotta stop. We're done for today, guys, because this is all. This
blow
is
our mind
killer
out.
shot, guys. This lady is freaking good. I was never expecting this to be this good, but I'm gonna check more from her. I'm gonna go research more about her, guys. This lady is good. Let's keep on watching, guys. Instrumentals are really awesome.
Где же ты теперь, воля вольная? С кем же ты сейчас? Ласковый рассвет встречаешь. Хорошо с тобой, но будто без тебя. Голову на плечи терпеливые. Как блеск,
That's passion.
как блеск. Солнце мое, взгляни на меня.
She's fucking good.
Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. Если есть воля, дай огня.
Ooh,
Вот так.
I love this.
Солнце мое, взгляни на меня.
I love the fire in her. I love that fire.
Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. Если есть воля, дай огня.
Polina! This is a wrap, this is a wrap, this is a wrap. This is a freaking wrap. This is a freaking wrap. We are freaking done. I'm done, man. Guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow, guys.
Guys, thank you so much for this recommendation. We really enjoyed every bit of it. So guys, this was amazing. Please do recommend more of her song because we love her performance. She just on the stage and gave us a wonderful performance. I love her vibe. I love her style. I love the way you came back.
You feel her voice, guys.
Oh, this is good.
You freaking feel her voice. Every part of it was beautiful, guys.
Yeah, it was good.
Her control, it's mind-blowing, guys. This lady is one of a kind. But like, I want you guys to hear me wait. This lady is freaking good. Like, I have never seen a singer perform in that manner before, guys. Her control is lovely. The texture of her voice is really good, guys. I love the rhythm. I love the confidence in her, guys. I love the attention from the crowd. I love the wow face from everyone. Like, everybody, it's freaking amazed. They are surprised. They are like mind blown away. I enjoyed this video, and I'm really happy you guys could support this music. Comment down below more of our music. Recommend more, guys. If
Me too.
recommend more, guys. I want you guys to recommend more, because the more you recommend, the more we'll check out, guys. Comment down below your first time hearing this music. How's your reaction? Give us a thumbs up. Share this video to as many as you can. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all